The Vivo X300 series is making its debut tomorrow as the first Android flagship to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC. The upcoming lineup will include the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro. Vivo X300 Pro official colors are Wilderness Brown, Simple White, Free Blue, and Pure Black. Vivo has also confirmed an IP68 and IP69 rating. The X300 is tipped to feature a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Use BOE's new Q10 Plus OLED with support for 1 nit minimum brightness. Ship with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. With Vivo's V3 Plus imaging processor and Origin OS 6, both X300 and X300 Pro support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender. The X300 carries a 200-megapixel Zeiss primary camera paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto module, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Battery capacity is 6,040 mAh with support for 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.